As the football fever gets hotter every day, K. Sudhakar, a wacky car creator in Hyderabad city, India's southern Andhra Pradesh state, has designed a football-shaped tricycle to show his love for the game. Sudhakar has made the eco-friendly green football-shaped tricycle to cheer the FIFA World Cup 2010 and also to create awareness about the effects of global warming. Sudhakar took 4 months to design his tricycle.
Now, keeping the global warming in mind, I've designed an eco-friendly 7-seater trike in a football shape. 7 people has to pedal and it can travel up to 20 kmph. And it took me about 4 months to design and build this cycle.
This football-shaped tricycle is a 7-seater with 7 pairs of pedals for all the riders. The riders are seated inside the football. The ball is of 8 feet in diameter. Since the early 1990s, Hyderabad-based K. Sudhakar has created more than 170 designs of cars, which actually don't look like vehicles. His designs look more like toilet seats, a bed, football, cricket bat, camera, cup and saucer.